going on? What do you want to do?
What time?
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
Little birdie wing blue, he ran off and now there was two. Ready?
Oh, let me put some pajamas on. Almost ready, Harper.
Pajamas?
I'll be right there.
Yummy, delicious tea. I just love tea. It's my favorite. Tea is my favorite. What's this? Dog, 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 dog. Feel my hand. It's more than my fault. No one knows that. Mom! Where's Mom?
Nobody knows.
Why are you thinking that, teacher?
Come on, bounce the guy.
Well, that chair wasn't. Well, you can sit in that chair, Mom. It's just like nighttime. Mom, is it nighttime?
Oh, it's
Yes.
nap time.
Everyone should take a nap right now. Afternoon naps. I'll take one. Harper, you take one. You can have this couch. I'll take that couch. Oh, it's gonna be great.
I want to hear her play.
Oh,
Okay. Once upon a time, it was a sunny day out. It wasn't bedtime, it was morning time. They were having lemonade under a tree. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's here. Oh.
oh no, looks just like little Harper in her funny pink suit.
It was nice out, but it was sunny. Sometimes the sun was behind the clouds, and then the cloud behind the sun. Well, they're still happy under this nice tree. It was springtime, where the tree was growing apples. It's an apple tree. The birdie said, I'm going to fly around in the heavens. She left. The man said, Birdie, birdie, I cannot hear you, said the birdie. She comes back and said, what, little man? I wanted to say you why is this tree growing apples? I'll show you. She went up to the tree, picked an apple, and split it in two. He said, this is why the tree's growing apples. The apples have seeds, and if you take the seeds, let in the ground, it will grow an apple tree. The end.
That was such a sweet story.
Very sweet. Very good too. And
Isn't Harper an awesome storyteller?
I've never been to